For my future employer, Ma'am, Sir, have a nice day. I'm Jisami Mohana Paglinawan, 28 years old, from the province of North Cotabato, Philippines. I am single. I have two kids, a girl and a boy, aged 11 and 9 years old. I have work experience in the country of Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 3 years in one employer. They have 4 family members, a couple, and the 2 children. My main duty is to clean her house, wash and ironing clothes, buying a food at the market, to taking care of 1 pet and 2 children, and I do a breakfast and snack for kids, and also I prefer the kids for school, and sometimes I prepare dinner for my employer. And to my future employer, Ma'am, Sir, if you choose me, I will do my best to do my job, and I am willing to learn how to prepare your food, and I will respect every family members. And if you have a children, I will take good care of them. I treat them like mine. And to my future employer, Ma'am, Sir, have a pleasant and a wonderful day.